Anchored into tradition, sailing into self-reliance and innovation. That's the theme of this year's Navy tableau that is representing the strength of the Indian Navy. To explain more about all the components of this particular tableau, I have with me Commanders Zubair Siddiqui, Lieutenant Lakshmi K. Ravi. Sir, a very warm welcome on India Today. We see a lot of elements in this. Can you please highlight what this tableau is highlighting here?
Yes, ma'am. First of all, ma'am, welcome to our tableau and ceremony, and we are very happy that today we are being given a chance to speak about the mighty Indian Navy and the war force that exists today. So, if you see, आप अगर यहाँ पे देखेंगे हिंदी में हमने मेंशन किया है विरासत की शक्ति से आत्मनिर्भरता का संकल्प. तो हमारे ऑनरेबल प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का जो ड्रीम है विकसित भारत 2047 एंड ऑल्सो समुद्र उत्कर्ष एंड नारी सशक्तिकरण. तो इन तीनों चीज़ों को कंबाइन करके यहाँ पे वी हैव ट्राइड टू पोर्ट्रे अ वेरी पोर्टेंट रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ द इंडियन नेवी. अगर हम पीछे से देखें, इफ़ वी सी फ्रॉम द बिहाइंड पार्ट, सो वी वांट टू शो टू द वर्ल्ड दैट द मैरिटाइम डोमिनेंस, द मैरिटाइम हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंडिया, ऑफ द माइटी नेशन इंडिया is ranging from early 1st, 2nd, 3rd century to today, INS Vikrant in 2025. Over then and those times, जो भी whatever resources were available with the Indian subcontinent, that is wood, हमारा अपना आर्टिस्टिक स्कल्पचर्स का जो हमारा व्हाट डू कॉल इट टैलेंट था, कोकोनट रोप्स, तो उस सब से हम लोग एक शिप बनाया जिसका नाम था INSV कौंडिन्या. इसके अंदर अगर आप देखेंगे, इस टेक्नोलॉजी को बोलते हैं तनकाई, और इसके अंदर कोई मेटल नहीं, कोई वेल्डिंग नहीं, कोई कील हैमर नहीं, ये सिर्फ लकड़ी और रोप से बनी हुई शिप है. उसके बाद अगर हम आते हैं टुवर्ड्स दी डोमिनेंस ऑफ मराठा नेवी, आप जानते हैं मराठाज का कितना स्ट्रॉन्ग हिस्ट्री रहा है हमारे भारत को बनाने में, और उनकी एक बहुत ही पोटेंट प्लेटफॉर्म यहाँ पे दिखाया गया है, दैट इज गुराब. सो there were other ships as well, but because we have limited space, so only Gurab is what is represented over here. Now coming over to the future platforms, I will request Lakshmi to explain about the two frigates.
Lieutenant Lakshmi, please tell us about these two frigates and also the woman power that is being highlighted out here.
So it is basically a transition from the ancient navy to the modern navy. So I am currently working in Warship Design Bureau, and so proudly presenting you INS Udayagiri and INS Himgiri, the 101th indigenously designed warship. And we have INS Vikrant, that is our indigenously designed aircraft carrier. And on board you can see the advanced platforms like UAV Drishti and TEDBAF and ALH. These are the development, is under development. And when it comes to the front part of the tableau, we can see INS Tarini, which is depicting the Naviga Sagar Parikrama, which is towards the idea or theme that Mahila Sashактикаран or Indian Navy's idea of women empowerment. And behind you can see this Lieutenant Commander Rupa and Lieutenant Commander Dilna. Both of them will be positioned on the tableau that day, and they will be saluting the President on the dais, giving that proud legacy of women in the Navy.
Thank you so much for speaking to us. So this Navy tableau is not only showing the journey of India's shipbuilding skills from Kaundinya and progressing towards INS Virat, the submarines and the woman power, which is showing the courageous hearts and boundless seas. And every Indian's heart fills with pride to see this kind of prowess and also the history, the rich maritime history of the country. This is Shivani Sharma with camera person Loken Pandey for India Today from New Delhi.